Hi guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Welcome guys. In this video here I'm just doing a little cleaning, and I just have a little clip here and there when my sister was here guys, so I'm just sharing that with you. This is going to be a short video guys, but I'm trying to push out the content guys for you guys to watch. More content coming guys. I just have to sit down and edit those, but guys, enjoy, and I hope you're inspired. So let's get this going guys. I'm cleaning the bathroom here guys from when I had painted it, so it's only the floor I'll be paying attention to because the walls had freshly painted. This is just the video after I had painted guys. So here I am cleaning away guys, and I normally just use sift on the ground as you saw me show you just now guys. That's all I add to the floor. I spread it around and I scrub away guys. That's it, and it cleans my bathroom very well.
You are so heartless, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. You got me hoping, and you don't care. And I don't even know what I've been fighting for. Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. I know it's reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care, 'cause I want everything that I've been wrong.
Now guys, I end up cleaning the whole house without filming guys. Number one, my battery went dead, and because I was crunching on time because I had to go to the airport to collect them, time was flying away from me guys. So I cleaned the whole house without showing. So this is just me revealing that the house is clean guys. So my apologies guys. I know you like my cleaning videos, but guys, this day I just had to. So I was just here showing you that the whole house is clean.
Falling deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep. And you know that it's all that I need, so don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, no, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, don't leave me alone. La 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 la, la 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 la.
Hi guys, my new microwave is here. So yes, if you had guessed this one guys, this is the one I actually got. It's similar to the other one, but and small and everything and white, but this one is actually a Whirlpool, and I like Whirlpool brand guys. And for the price that it was at, if you look at my last video, you will see the price. That wasn't bad. So yeah guys, so this is the one I got. They just delivered it, but I'm here getting ready now guys to go up to the airport to meet my sister. Say hi. Alright guys, so my sister is actually here in Barbados with me for a short time. And look at her, Gigi. Gia.
We are busy emptying out all the
Gia.
plastics.
That little one that was in hand, look at her now walking. Walking, making all the misery. Hi. Say hi to YouTube.
Hello.
Yeah, people then living the gangster kind of life, talk, but I'm gonna eat out though. So how is it, people? No lie.
It's amazing.
Okay. Thank you. Alright guys, so sweet bread here out of the oven. Honestly guys, I did not film me cooking because guys I wanted to get everything done and the place was too hot for that, guys. Too hot. So these just come out. I hear roast breadfruit and everything, peeling it for them. So guys, just now don't cook, see steam there. This is the chicken. This is fish because my sister don't eat chicken. She don't eat meat, she don't eat fish. This is the rice. Yeah. And we got coleslaw.
Listen, we need this recipe for this coleslaw.
Yes, okay.
This is wicked.
Yes. Alright. Alright guys. Alright then. Thanks guys.
The next day.
Alright guys, so this is the next day and I'm about to reveal the new microwave. I'm about to unbox it guys, but first let me show you what I was working with guys, why I had to get one guys. So guys, this is a Master Tech brand and it works fine. It's still working fine guys, but this was what I was dealing with and I couldn't do it anymore, so I finally decided to get me a microwave. Now guys, the way how things is, this microwave, you get a microwave now for $260 something, $270 something, anywhere in between that range guys, $300. But guys, every single time I look wrong, I had to do this, I had to do that, so the money just wasn't there as yet. But finally guys, I bunk it down and I went and I got me one guys. So yeah, let's get unboxing.
A Norfolk night, the world is cold. We stand surrounded, we are not alone. Within my reverie, there's holy light. Without a number, we stand and fight. A Norfolk night, the world is cold.